out, all of you. You should be looking after your lambs.
Buzz and Rev were ready to race. Ready, steady, go!
What happened to you, Tom? Oh, look. Have you lost your mum? You must be hungry. Let's take you back to the farm and find you some milk.
And now it's Winnie of Farmyard United making a dangerous-looking move. Spring Hill Rovers goalie Mo is looking nervous. Riff takes it on her head. And it's a goal for Farmyard United! Goal! Tom now for Rovers. A lovely pass to Snicker. And he scored! Oh, a beautiful back shot. Let's look at that again. Marvellous, marvellous. Riff now for Farmyard United. She's a lovely little dribbler. Snicker goes in hard. But she beats him. She gets past Tom to... and noses one into the net for another fantastic goal. Now it's Farmyard United 2, Spring Hill Rovers 1.
I've just got a couple more sheep to round up. The thing is, they've discovered pogo sticks. Lucky I've got a plan.
Matt had built a funnel on the back of Rev so that he could catch the sheep. The trouble was that the sheep just weren't jumping high enough to catch. But Matt knew how to change all that.
Do you call that jumping? I've seen hedgehogs jump higher than that.
By now, the sheep were jumping high enough for Matt to catch them, but they were still in the middle of the field. Matt needed to get them to come over to the gate.
I know what. Well, you might be jumping a bit higher, but you're not going very fast. OK, Rev, let's go. Do you call that fast? I've seen worms go quicker than that. Go for it, Rev. Show them what you're made of. Gotcha!
Welcome to Grassy Field and the first Spring Hill Farm Sports Day. The excitement's mounting as the contestants line up for the first event, the 100 metres. The starter raises her starting pistol and... they're off! Wheezy hurdles into the lead while the other contestants are less quick off the mark. In fact, Mo's going backwards, so it's neck and neck between Winnie and Purdy for second place. Wheezy's still in the lead. Can he keep it up? Yes, as Winnie eats grass, Purdy falls asleep, and Mo chews the cud. The winner is Wheezy! ready to start as soon as we have some eggs. Any moment now. And yes, we have 3 eggs. They're off. And Riff quickly takes a commanding lead. But Riff's seen some stray sheep. She can't resist rounding them up. Oh dear, she's out of the race. Now Snickers spotted something, a bowl of sugar lumps. Oh, he couldn't pass up on the sugar lumps. And he leaves the field free for Fee to win the egg and spoon race.
Woohoo!
Oh dear, bit of bad luck for Rev there.
Well, look on the bright side, Winnie. At least we know you're not ill. In fact, the vet said she'd never seen such a healthy horse. So why are you so sad, I wonder? Have you fallen out with the sheep? No? Well, let's see what could possibly be wrong. You've got a lovely grass field, Snicker for company, lots of friends. What more could a horse want? Sorry I asked.
Meanwhile, everyone was rehearsing for the big concert.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. It's supposed to be close harmony. We need to get a lot tighter. Much better. Let's go again. It's a duet, okay? That means you have to sing together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I've never heard anything quite like that. Ready? Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 da la 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 la. Now let's see. Where's my rhythm section? Hey, I like it. Go again.
Farmer Fee and Tractor Tom were out checking up on all the animals.
Hi, Winnie. Hi, Snicker. Enjoying those nettles?
In the farmyard, Purdy and Riff were both asleep.
Hi, Riff.
The hens were pecking in the dirt. Whack and Back were paddling in the pond. In the barn, Wheezy was telling Buzz a very long story. And up on Beckton Hill, the sheep were skateboarding. Fee and Tom drove back to the farmyard, where Matt and Rev were waiting.
Hi, Matt. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Fantastic. Any chance of a cup of tea?
Do you know something? For once, there are no problems on the farm at all. We can relax for a change.
Tom and Rev were relaxing too. But something was worrying Tom. something on the farm wasn't right. Finally, he worked out what it was.
What is it, Tom? We forgot something? No, we didn't. We went all round the farm and saw everyone. Except Mo. Oh dear, how could we forget her? You're right, we need to find her. We won't be long, Matt.
See ya.
But Mo wasn't in her field. She wasn't in her shed. Fee and Tom couldn't find her anywhere at all.
Mo, where are you?
Meanwhile, Matt was working in the farmyard.
What's happening, Riff? Oh, the post's arrived. Let's have a look. It's for Fee. I wonder what it is. It says, careful, very fragile. I'd better put it inside the house. Oh, it's heavy.
And Matt went round the farm to see if anyone else wanted him to buy something for them at Beckton Market.
You want new egg cozies? What are egg cozies? Oh, I see. They're like a hat to keep the egg warm when you're not there. Hey, it works. I suppose you all want one. Where are you going? 3 egg cozies.
Well done, Tom. You're doing a great job. If we get finished early, I'll get Matt to change your oil. That's right, if he remembers it.
One at a time. Now get in a line and I'll take your orders. Whacking back. You want some bread? Stale bread, okay. Buzz. Go faster, Stripes. No problem. And sugarcane for Snicker. I've got it all down on my list. Is that it? Oh, where did you come from? Never mind. What do you want? New pajamas? Fine. Made of wool. You've got it. Ah, there's nothing like outdoor cooking, Rev. Oh, yes. You can't beat that charcoal flavour. Oh, better get that.
Back at the farm, Buzz and Snicker had finally found something to do. They were playing a game of dares. First, Buzz dared Snicker. Then, Snicker dared Buzz. Out in the fields, the animals were trying to keep warm. Mo was jogging. The hens locked themselves in their house. the sheep were trying to get their central heating to work. Everyone was miserable. Even Whack and Back, and they liked being cold and wet. Matt didn't like being cold and wet, but he was because his caravan had a hole in the roof.
But I'll be okay as long as it doesn't rain. Oh no, it's a thunderstorm.
Tom heard the thunder too. So he asked Buzz to help him make sure that everyone was safe. Winnie was very frightened of the storm. So was Snicker, although he tried to pretend that he wasn't. Tom had an idea. Why didn't they go to the barn, where they'd be dry and warm? Tom and Buzz agreed that they should collect all the other animals too. Rev soon left Tom behind and decided he could have a wash in the stream and still have time to win the race. But Snicker the foal was grazing nearby, and he was ready for a bit of fun. Suddenly, Rev remembered the race.
The wind's blowing this way, so Whack must be round here. Oh no! Poor Whack. What am I going to do? Maybe the wind will help. Now we can look for Buzz. What is it, Winnie? Think hard. Have you lost Snicker?
Yes.
You have lost him. Where can he be? The wind's blown the gate open. Don't worry, Winnie. We'll find Snicker.
But Riff was already doing some sorting out of her own. Whenever she saw anything lying around, she tidied it away. Sometimes in the strangest places.
Right, what else? Ah, feed Purdy. That's funny. Where's your bowl? How weird. Oh well, at least I've got a spare one. Ah, that'll be Rev and Matt.
So, 2 of the woolly hooligans were up on the cowshed, you say?
Yes, but they're probably miles away by now.
OK, I better go and find them then. Seen Riff lately?
Here she is now.
By the way, the fields are muddy. You'll need your Wellingtons.
OK, bye. Wellingtons. That's strange. I'm sure I left them here to dry off. Why is everything going missing today, Purdy? Oh dear, we'll have to move the sheep one by one.
So Buzz moved the sheep one at a time. Oh dear.
This could take some time.
Not feeling too well? Oh, we'll have you fixed in no time. Well, almost no time. I know. I'll get Rev to help.
This isn't going very well, is it? They're still all here. Maybe we should try moving the hay bales. I'm sure you can do that.
Matt knew that Fee and Tom really wanted to go to the carnival. But what could he do?
Hey! You are brilliant! You've given me a great idea. Why don't we have our own carnival here?
Matt explained his idea to Tom.
I need you to keep Fee away from the farm until I can get everything organised. And don't tell her. Right, I need loads of help. Everyone, come to the barn.
Come on, Tom. You can go faster than this.
While Fee went to pick carrots, Matt got everyone else together to organise the Spring Hill Carnival.
Are you ready to party? Come on, what are we going to do? Someone must have some ideas. No, Purdy, we can't all have a nice long nap. No, Wheezy, not stories about the old days on the farm. This is carnival, music, dancing, fancy dress.
Snicker was getting bored already, so he decided to sneak away.
OK, we'll start with the hens. You're going to dance. We'll make you some costumes.
Fee had started to pick carrots. Snicker came to see what was going on, and he was pleased that he had. Snicker loved carrots.
Don't be too long. We've got lots to do. No, they're skirts, not hats.
Snicker, have you been eating my carrots? Oh, yes, you have. That's very naughty. Come back!
I could paint you black and white. Then you'd be a carnival zebra. Just a joke. Will you two stop fighting? Hold on. That sounds good. Anyone here know how to play the steel drums? Ah. Hey, come back!
Matt chased Buzz and Snicker all round the farm.
I've hurt my foot! Help!
There's no point hiding. You're going to do some jumping. What's wrong with you? Are you saying you can't jump?
Yes.
What is it, Tom? Look, Winnie can jump. I'll go and make sure she's all right. Tom, can you get Riff to round up the sheep?
There was chaos in the farmyard. But before Tom could do anything, Buzz and Snicker arrived. They needed help for Matt.
You were just pretending that you couldn't jump, weren't you? Let's go back to the paddock and try again.
Tom, can you help me? Thank you. But what am I going to do about all the mess in the farmyard?
The sheep had made up a new game and were painting the house at the same time. But they were making the mess a lot worse. Back in the barn, everyone was dozing off again, or trying to. Tom drove Matt and Fee back to the farmhouse, and no one noticed that the sheep were heading for the hay. The ducks still couldn't find anywhere to settle. Back at the farmhouse, Matt told Fee about his new mobile phone.
It's really small and light. But the best thing is you can record any ringtone you like. Oh no, I've lost it.
Let's do what you did to find me. I'll call your phone and you listen for the ringtone.
I can't hear it.
You must have dropped it somewhere outside.
But the sheep had made their own ringtone. Fee and Matt looked all over the farm, but they couldn't hear the phone anywhere. But Fee did see the sheep.
They're eating all my hay!
In the barn, the ducks still couldn't find anywhere to sit.
Oh, Purdy. It's like magic the way she can appear from nowhere.
That's an idea. I'll do a magic show.
Purdy wasn't happy. She had an itch on her back that just wouldn't go away. Fee set to work on her...
Shush, it's a secret. Let's get started, Riff. Go away.
Matt started to practice his magic tricks.
I've got absolutely nothing up my sleeve. Well, they weren't up my sleeve.
Rev told Tom he could do a magic trick too.